Hey guys, Navid here from Oud for Guitarists. Right now I want to show you a quick tip if you're having trouble tuning your oud, keeping the pegs from slipping. A lot of you beginners have challenges with getting the pegs to stay in, and so this is really going to solve all those problems for you with your new oud. Alright, check this out. Okay, so this is what I want you to do. I want you to sit in a chair, wherever you're comfortable, and then take the oud and put it resting on your legs down here on the floor. It doesn't need to be touching the floor. It's not a good idea for it to touch the floor in case you slip or something. You want it to be comfortably snug into between your feet there. And so this way, you've got your left hand on the neck of the oud, and this way your thumb is available to pluck the strings. You have to be able to pluck the strings individually when you're tuning the oud. I recommend first getting the low bass C string in tune because it's a single string and it stays in tune pretty nicely. So your left hand is going to support the oud on the opposite side of the peg that you're pushing in, and you want to push in and turn at the same time. Okay, so now that you have your oud rested in between your feet, now you can tune the oud. So start with your bass string. So you want to have your left hand available to pluck the bass string. Then, as you hear the sound, you want to tighten up the string. Then you can use your other hand, pluck it again while you're holding the peg, and look at your tuner and try to find the right note. So now you can pluck. You got to be able to hear the string as you're turning it. And by supporting it, you can make sure that the peg doesn't get loose. Let's go to the other strings. So these are out of tune, so you got to make sure that your thumb can pluck each individual string and turn. Now as you're supporting the oud, push and turn on the peg. Just gently. Check your tuner to make sure you're finding the right note. You gotta keep plucking so that the tuner can see and hear what note's being played. Okay, we're almost there. Okay, make sure the peg is nice and tight enough. Do it with the next one. So now you can pluck only that string that you're trying to tune. So this is the best way to tune your oud for a beginner, especially when you're still getting used to holding the oud. Thanks for watching.